Hey everyone, we're on our way to try Panera's new double bread bowl. And we love bread, so.
Yeah, we love bread. We love Panera soups.
Carbs
and
on
carbs. We're excited. I know people on Facebook have been going absolutely crazy over it, and it just was announced like not long ago. So
yeah.
I'm excited to see what it's actually like.
Usually when I come to Panera, I can't decide between the French onion soup and the broccoli, but now I can get both.
These double bread bowls seem really good if you want to combine something different.
I think this is great for if you're having a really bad day, you just want to eat a lot of carbs. Everything just tastes better from bread bowl.
So much food, too.
So much bread. We have to drive back home now, but it was worth it.